Ti5 Robot was founded in August 2020 and is located in Minhang District, Shanghai, China, Liando U Valley. Ti5 Robot is a company dedicated to the research and development of intelligent robot products and their core components, having a professional technical research and development team of over 50 people. Obtained 6 design patents, 4 invention patents, 27 utility model patents, and 19 computer software copyrights. The original concept of Ti5 Robot was just a small model on a dormitory desk. Nowadays, Ti5 Robot has completed the research and development of lightweight joint modules, collaborative robots, bionic hands, active exoskeletons, and humanoid robot prototypes, possessing the ability to develop motion algorithms for intelligent robots and upper-level human-machine interaction software. Ti5 Robot has not only reached an agreement with Huawei to jointly develop a new generation of humanoid robots, but also conducted multiple commercial exchanges with more than 100 companies such as Midea and Xpeng. In the future, Ti5 Robot will continue to cooperate with top universities to enhance its research and development capabilities, and widely apply safer and more advanced products to industrial production, commercial scenarios, scientific research and education, and other fields. We will use our accumulated technology and experience to fill the gap in the robotics industry and become a leader in the industry.